Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars Buzz Lightyear. This special brawler was a truly unique, limited-time offering, making him quite exclusive for those who acquired him. He was made available as a completely free reward during a specific, celebratory in-game event. It's important to understand that this fantastic collaboration character is not currently obtainable through regular gameplay or standard purchases within the game. The primary and indeed the only way to acquire Buzz Lightyear was through a special in-game calendar, typically associated with festive periods. He was prominently featured as the initial reward on the celebratory calendar, meaning players could claim him immediately upon accessing the event. This made his acquisition straightforward and accessible for those participating during the limited availability window, requiring no additional steps. What made Buzz Lightyear truly special and a fantastic addition was that upon unlocking, he arrived fully powered up. Players received him at power level 11, complete with his unique gadget already unlocked, ready for battle. He also featured 3 distinct combat modes, Laser, Saber, and Wing, providing incredible versatility to adapt to different game modes and strategies on the battlefield, offering diverse playstyles. As of now, Buzz Lightyear is not available for new players to acquire within Brawl Stars. His presence in the game was part of a temporary, special collaboration event, making him a collector's item. While he is currently unavailable, there is always a possibility that he could return in the future during similar themed events or special promotions. Players should stay tuned for any official announcements from the game developers.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.